Problem 58. What is the nature of the mind? I have tried a lot, but it is very difficult to control the mind. Brothers, what is the nature of the mind?
చంచలం హిమనః కృష్ణ ప్రమాధీ బలవదృఢం తస్యాహం నిగ్రహం మన్యే వాయోరివ నుదుష్కరం.
True. Controlling the mind is not an easy task. It is formed by practice. The mind is naturally restless. It is not stable. It has become very strong due to past samskaras. Such a mind is like idolizing, like pulling Janjha Maruta. It is not easy for anyone. Therefore, it should be achieved only through continuous practice.
Friends, please subscribe, like, share and comment మన ఛానల్.